Diabetes Freedom is a special 2-month program that shows you how to utilize food to flush the greasy stores from your body that are as of now developing around your pancreas. These greasy stores start to frame when you have diabetes or are pre-diabetic, and extra time, the compounding your condition and indications. Even all the more stunning that reviews have demonstrated that type 2 diabetes can prompt numerous extra well-being concerns and conditions, a significant number of which are possibly deadly. Sadly, there is no drug that fixes diabetes. Rather, traditional prescriptions are intended to calm your side effects or to keep up your diabetes. They additionally accompany a not insignificant rundown of awkward reactions, a large number of which can be more awful than the genuine ailment itself. Be that as it may, as the idiom goes, for getting healthy, the kind of food you eat is everything, and food can be utilized to improve your well-being and even kill diabetes unequivocally, and that is the thing that you figure out how to do in Diabetes Freedom. The best part is that there are no tallying calories, doing week after week weigh-ins, confining your eating regimen to excess, or going through hours at the exercise center. Diabetes Freedom is an online program that shows you what to get into your day to flush out poisons and how to do so delectably. What is diabetes freedom? Diabetes is a developing issue in Western nations exactly in view of our eating regimen and way of life. Studies gauge that more than 30 million Americans have diabetes, with more than 84 million Americans being pre-diabetic or undiscovered. The Western method of living is loaded up with synthetics and poisons. They're in everything from your food to your cleaning supplies, from your garments to your prepping items, from your home stylistic layout to the air in your home, and even that new air outside is loaded up with toxins. Specialists have connected these poisons to the main driver of type 2 diabetes. These poisons structure greasy stores around your pancreas, bringing about ghastly side effects as well as an exacerbated condition. Sadly, it's close to difficult to maintain a strategic distance from poisons totally, as they're all over the place. However, you can flush them out of your body. Doing so will support your well-being, while likewise assisting with combating type 2 diabetes at the main driver, which additionally kills the side effects and potential dangers related to it. Diabetes Freedom is an online 2-month program that shows you delectable, regular fixings to add into your eating routine to flush out the poisons making the greasy stores structure around your pancreas. With this program, you realize what and how to eat to flush the greasy stores out of your framework to diminish your indications and to at last become sans diabetes. The program accompanies a bounty of significant data about common fixings and what they can accomplish for your body, how to join them into your eating routine with the GAVE plans, dinner plans, feast timing methodologies, how to detox through development, and considerably more. Here's a sneak look at what you get when you join. Fundamental Manual. Snappy Start Accelerator. Feast Preparation Guide. Video Library. Wholesome Guide for Diabetes Type 2. Feast Timing Strategies. Food Shopping Guide. Body Movements. Reward, Stay Young Forever Guide. Reward, 33 Powerful Foods for Diabetics Guide. Reward, Fat Burning Blueprint Guide. The entirety of this is accessible to you following by as the whole framework is advanced. This implies you can escape just by downloading the program right onto your PC, cell phone, workstation or tablet. This guarantees you have all that you need any place you go, regardless of whether it's to the market to get the new fixings that flush out the greasy stores or to the kitchen to fire concocting them. In case you're new to utilizing characteristic cures and recuperating techniques, you're likely thinking about how normal fixings work. All things considered, you can see with your own eyes as the program accompanies a 60-day money-back guarantee. This allows both of you months to attempt the whole program chance-free. Who is the author of Diabetes Freedom? Previous type 2 diabetic, George Riley, is the creator of Diabetes Freedom. His condition was so serious and kept on deteriorating, in spite of taking the entirety of the professionally prescribed medications prescribed to him by his primary care physician. It got so terrible his leg was going to be cut away. George searched out a subsequent sentiment, which drove him to figure out how to utilize legitimate nourishment and supper timings to expel the greasy stores that were causing his type 2 diabetes to exacerbate. Subsequently, he had the option to spare his leg while likewise recovering control of his life and well-being. Outline of Diabetes Freedom. Diabetes Freedom is a thorough program that shows you how to utilize appropriate sustenance to free your framework from the greasy stores conforming to your pancreas because of type 2 diabetes. It comprises of 7 basic guidelines that assist you with reshaping your eating regimen and way of life, so you can improve your well-being now and pushing ahead. The program is 2 months in length, however it is intended to assist you with shaping new propensities that you can proceed with later on to keep up ideal well-being. It's extremely simple to stay with, particularly when everything is separated into a 3-advance procedure which comprises of Stage 1 to 2 month nourishment plan that inverts type 2 diabetes in under about 2 months. Stage 2 to 7 earthy colored fat boosting metabolic guidelines for diabetics to ensure your type 2 diabetes remains gone. Stage 3 meal timing stunts to monitor your glucose and weight forever. You likewise get a bounty of significant data about your well-being, sustenance, and disposing of type 2 diabetes normally. Here's a glance at what you can expect when you begin. Principal Manual. Welcome to the program. Prologue to type 2 diabetes. Stage 1 10 days of super drinks. Insights regarding the diabetes super drinks. Stage 2 to 8-week diabetes dieting strategy. 7 rules of the diabetes diet plan. Rule 1, your daily food journal. Rule 2, be intelligent when eating out. Rule 3, take advantage of condiments. Rule 4, anticipate your cravings with your diet and physical activity. Rule 5, realistic exercising hours. Rule 6, exercise is fun. Rule 7, total daily TV time equals sport time. Diabetes condemns, falsely dietetic food products do not trust. The list of the 12 deadly ingredients, let them go. Rundown of bad foods for type 2 diabetics. A healthy, diabetes-free body. Brisk start accelerator. Calendar. Accomplishment during your first 10 days. 8 weeks for developing good habits. Your meal timings. Physical activity, how to get started. Help, managing blood sugar levels and not giving up. 5 anti-diabetic drinks. Supper preparation guide. Supper prep. Beverages. Smoothies. Breakfast. Plates of mixed greens. Sautéed dishes. Cooked dishes. Getting a quick lunch. Treats. Quick bites or snacks. Slow cooking. Supermarket guide. You additionally get access to the video library, 3 rewards and the top-of-the-line Hostile to Maturing exercise DVD for nothing. Our verdict. Diabetes Freedom is a simple program that shows you solid and common approaches to purge your body of the poisons that are connected to being the underlying driver of type 2 diabetes. It's everything about utilizing regular fixings and legitimate supper timings, which are assembled in a simple-to-follow 2-month manage.